Tell me if you know this one. I just sang it to you a minute ago in the last video, man. Don't even try that. You know it's Guns N' Roses, Patience. I was at the mall yesterday. I'm standing in line, and some guy's next to me. Hey, Jason? Are you Jason? Yes, I am. Oh my God! I can't believe you're here. I thought you lived like out in Clearwater, St. Peter somewhere. Nope, I've lived in this area basically for all my life, generally speaking. And oh my God, I can't believe you're here. Can I get a picture? I'm like, yeah, all right. So I'm about to buy you lunch. Let's go. I'm here in line. What do you want? So we ate lunch, chatted a little bit. His name is Jeff. Hi, my name's Jeff. His name is Jeff. So the other day, you know, woo dude a little while back, he goes, you know, I'm like, Spirit showed me like God's hand. Why does that thing say XSplit VCam on top of my... I pay for that. Like I should... Oh, I gotta log in. I gotta log into both? Yeah, boy, I better know that. Oh, okay, and then look, it goes away. I log in, it goes away. Log it in, log it in. So the other day, and you heard this one a little while back, he said, you know, they showed me the hand of God like grabbing a chess piece. It was the king, I think he said. Like he's about, like God is about to make a move, you know. Something like that. You know, just this vision he had. And recently he goes, this was a couple days ago, he goes, they showed me something else like this past weekend. I go, what was that? He goes, you ever see those things, like those big dominoes, like they set them up and they trigger things and this triggers that, like as they're falling and they're doing this thing? I go, yeah. He goes, they showed me that. Like dominoes are going to start falling and triggering things like they do in real life, you know, when they do that. He goes, but they just showed me like the first one just hit. Like, boop, here it goes. Domino. That's very interesting because he got that. I say that it was this weekend, but when he got it, he didn't call me right away. It was a few days later. Was before the McAfee thing. Might have even been before General Flynn's statement. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I do believe it was before McAfee. And the funny thing is, 2 or 3 days before that happened, I was buying this used ATV from a guy down south who's here temporarily that was real good friends with McAfee. He sent me pictures of him and McAfee hanging out on my cell phone, like text. He's like, check it out. You know, he's not bullshitting me. And wow. So anyways, interesting, right? The first domino was pushed over. Now, domino after domino is going to fall is essentially what he's saying. Woo dude. And I think McAfee is the first domino. If I'm picking something, if I have one choice, I'm picking that. Because as he said, I got 31 terabytes of data. And McAfee said, I think during a Vice interview, that he gave away a bunch of laptops to a bunch of government officials. And on there, he had his own software running that was key logging, sending back all the stuff they type and text, and had email passwords, all kinds of stuff. And he said, I originally did this because I was trying to figure out, they raided me, and I was trying to figure out who the hell did this. Because I had no reason to be raided. So I was trying to figure out, you know, the corruption, who did that. He goes, but I didn't find anything. I wasn't able to find that out. He goes, but what I did find, oh my God, corruption at the highest level, trafficking and all kinds of stuff in multiple different definitions of the word trafficking. And I'm like, wow. And he goes, and when you find out which head of agencies are behind some of this stuff, he goes, you're going to flip out. So Woo Dude sees a vision of a domino falling that's attached to other ones that are attached to triggering events like they do in real life when they do those cool things. And he goes, they showed me the first one dropping. So once the first one drops, there's no stopping the rest of them, is what he said. I go, yeah, I get it. He goes, so get ready. He goes, as you can already see, the stuff's happening all over the place. He goes, but get ready. I'm like, all right, well, I'm ready. So just want to share that little tidbit with you. And that's all I got to say about that.